Heading: Nickel-cadmium cell. First point. A nickel-cadmium cell is a rechargeable secondary battery that uses nickel oxide hydroxide as the positive plate, cadmium as the negative plate, and potassium hydroxide as the electrolyte. Second point. It is commonly called the NCD battery. Third point. It is widely used in portable electronic devices and emergency power systems. Draw diagram. Heading: Construction of nickel-cadmium cell. First point. The positive plate is made of nickel oxide hydroxide. Second point. The negative plate is made of cadmium. Third point. The electrolyte is potassium hydroxide (KH) solution. Fourth point. Separators are placed between the plates to prevent short circuits. Fifth point. The cell is enclosed in a sealed metal or plastic container with terminals. Heading: Working of nickel-cadmium cell. First point. The cell works on the principle of reversible chemical reactions. Second point. During discharging, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Third point. During charging, electrical energy is converted back into chemical energy. Heading: Chemical action during discharging. First point. Cadmium at the negative plate is oxidized. Second point. Nickel oxide hydroxide at the positive plate is reduced. Third point. Electrons flow through the external circuit and electrical energy is produced. Fourth point. The potassium hydroxide electrolyte acts as an ion conductor and its concentration remains nearly constant. Heading: Chemical action during recharging. First point. An external DC supply is connected to the cell. Second point. The chemical reactions are reversed. Third point. The positive and negative plates regain their original chemical composition. Fourth point. The battery stores chemical energy and becomes ready for reuse. Heading: Electrical characteristics of nickel-cadmium cell. First point. The nominal voltage of each cell is about 1.2 volts. Second point. It has low internal resistance. Third point. It provides high discharge current. Fourth point. It has long cycle life and fast charging capability. Fifth point. It performs well over a wide range of temperatures. Heading: Advantages of nickel-cadmium cell. First point. Long service life. Second point. Fast charging capability. Third point. Delivers high discharge current. Fourth point. Low maintenance. Fifth point. Performs well in low and high temperatures. Heading: Disadvantages of nickel-cadmium cell. First point. Higher cost than lead-acid batteries. Second point. Cadmium is toxic and harmful to the environment. Third point. Suffers from memory effect if repeatedly recharged before complete discharge. Fourth point. Lower cell voltage compared to lead-acid batteries. Heading. Applications of nickel-cadmium cell. First point. Used in emergency lighting systems. Second point. Used in portable electronic devices. Third point. Used in cordless power tools. Fourth point. Used in aircraft and railway communication systems. Fifth point. Used in backup power and medical equipment.